Introducing LG InstaView Door-in-Door Refrigerator, bringing distinctive styling and innovation to your kitchen with a tinted glass panel that allows you to see inside the easy access door without letting the cold air out. Refrigerators are opened a lot, letting cold air out every time. Experience the convenience of seeing what's inside without ever opening the door. More cold air means more peace of mind that food will stay fresher longer. You can simply knock twice on the tinted glass to illuminate the compartment for access to your favorites. LG's door-in-door panel is designed to meet your lifestyle. It has extra room for food storage, with convenient organization for all of your family's favorite foods. The cold saver divides the compartment from the main cabinet of the refrigerator to prevent significant cold air loss. The glass panel is activated by a touch recognition sensor. Moreover, the glass is reinforced and so durable. The argon gas-filled, triple-pane tinted and UV-resistant tempered glass door offers industry-leading insulation, protection, and durability. The custom chill drawer gives you additional refrigerator or soft freezer space when you need it most. The versatile drawer features 4 temperature settings. Use it as a soft freezer space or create another place for fresh foods. Whatever you decide, the adjustable dividers make it superbly simple to take usable space up a notch. The slim Space Plus Ice system provides more shelf space and allows even more space for door bins. LG's innovative inverter linear compressor is simple but very effective. The single friction point compressor has improved durability with fewer friction points, helping you save energy consumption while minimizing noise. LG confidently backs the motor with a 10-year limited warranty. LG's fresh air filter pushes cleaner, deodorized air into the refrigerator. The multi-airflow system circulates cool, fresh air to every corner to keep foods fresh. LG InstaView Door-in-Door takes the look of traditional stainless steel to new heights. It is fingerprint and smudge resistant. A dry cloth is all it takes to bring the surface back to its original luster. Choose from a standard depth refrigerator for more space or counter depth for a sleek built-in look. Raid the fridge without losing your cool. LG InstaView Door-in-Door.